Today's 2-minute tech tip is on embedding Flipgrids into Google Sites and to Canvas. So I'm in Flipgrid and I have my grid and my topics here. Let's say that I want to use this formative assessment. I go over here to the share, and this icon right here is the embed code. If I just click that, it automatically copies it to my clipboard. So then I can go over to my site. I've already got the page up ready to go, and I click the embed, and it comes up and asks me to paste it in. I have to select the box for the embed code, and then I'm just going to Control V to paste that in. And when I click next, it shows me what it's going to look like, and then I click insert and it's here, and I can resize that as needed, and then I can also view what it's going to look like. I can publish that page, and I'm going to see what that site looks like for the user. So there it is, and my students can then click the button and record more. So if you want to put it in Canvas, I've got a Flipgrid. I've already created a page for it. Here it is. I'm going to edit this page, and this is a little different. For this one, again, I've already got it copied on my clipboard. I'm going to click the HTML editor on this page. The page is blank. Click the HTML editor. You don't see any of the HTML. I'm just going to click down in the box, and again, Control V will paste it in there. When I go back over to my rich content editor, here it is. So I can save this, and then when I go in as a student, so let me go back to home, and I'm going to go to the student view. I'm going to go to Flipgrid. This is what the page looks like for my students. So again, they can click the button and record and do it all inside the site. Hope you find this useful, and if you have any questions about embedding anything else, just let me know.